Imagine this, you are lying on your bed, scrolling on your phone, and suddenly guilt hits you. Why am I so lazy? But what if I told you that laziness is not always a weakness? What if I told you that laziness, when used properly, is actually an art? Yes, my friends, welcome to the art of laziness. Most people think laziness means doing nothing. But the truth is, laziness often means saving energy. Your body and mind sometimes push you into a lazy mode because they're signaling, pause. Recharge. Focus only on what matters. So, laziness isn't always the enemy, it can be your body's way of telling you to realign. There are two kinds of laziness. Dumb laziness, mindless Netflix binges, endless social media scrolling, procrastination without purpose. This is the destructive type of laziness. Smart laziness, designing your life in such a way that you get maximum results with minimum effort. People who master this type of laziness use systems, tools, and hacks so they don't waste energy on unimportant things. The difference between successful and unsuccessful people often comes down to this: do they control their laziness, or does laziness control them? Bill Gates once said, "I choose a lazy person to do a hard job. Because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it." Think about it, if human beings were not lazy, we would never invent shortcuts, machines, or technologies. Laziness is the mother of innovation. Every progress we've made as a civilization came because we wanted comfort and efficiency. Now the real question, how can you master the art of laziness? 1. Prioritize. Not everything deserves your energy. Do less, but focus on what actually matters. 2. Automate. Use technology to handle repetitive tasks so your energy is reserved for creativity. 3. Delegate. If someone else can do it better, let them do it. Don't carry unnecessary burdens. 4. Recharge without guilt. Rest is not laziness. Rest is a fuel for productivity. 5. High impact work. When you do work, focus only on tasks that give long-term benefits. That's how you transform laziness into an advantage. Laziness is not about lying on the couch forever. It's about using your natural desire for comfort as a tool. Instead of fighting laziness, channel it into creating smarter systems, faster solutions, and a life where you don't just work harder, you work smarter. So the next time you feel lazy, don't just feel guilty. Instead, ask yourself, am I practicing dumb laziness or smart laziness? If the answer is smart, then congratulations, you are already mastering the art. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational insights and life-changing lessons.